When I was younger, my mother made something that she called a lasagna burger. Now, I don't know if this was her recipe or if she saw it in a magazine, but it was something I love to eat. So today I'm gonna take her basic recipe, put my own twist on it, and we're gonna end up with my version of Mom's lasagna burger. All right, so I have the Camp Chef griddle heated up here. I want to take a temperature check of the griddle surface. About 380, 384. I want to turn this down just a little bit. I have just the two left side burners on medium. Go ahead and get our burgers on here. Give these a minute before we smash them. Piece of parchment paper here. I want to hit these with some salt and pepper and with a little bit of Italian seasoning. This is a fennel pepper rub I like. I'm going to start toasting our bun. I've got a little bit of garlic butter that's melted and holding in a little pan here on the griddle. Toast our bun. Now there are no noodles in this, so just think of the bun as sort of the lasagna noodle. At least that's the way how Mom treated it, I think. See how our bun's doing. Starting to get toasty there. Our bun's good. I'm going to set that over here to stay warm. Get our burger turned. A little bit more salt and pepper on this side. A couple slices of mozzarella. All right, let's go ahead and build this lasagna burger. First thing I'm gonna do is put a little bit of a basil ricotta spread on the bottom bun. I made this last night, mixed up some ricotta cheese, about a quarter cup, with some chopped basil, about 2 tablespoons. I'm also gonna put some kind of shaved Parmesan down here, just, I don't know, 5 or 6 pieces. When that bottom burger patty hits, it will start to melt. Now we start getting our burgers on. And in between the burgers here, I'm going to put a little bit of a marinara sauce. This is just a jarred marinara sauce. You can make your own if you want. Not a whole lot here in between. Top burger. More marinara on top here. And then sort of a light spread of our basil ricotta on top for a little flavor. And then we top it. There you have it. My version of Mom's lasagna burger. That's looking fantastic. It's time to taste. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this in half, make it a little easier to bite into. I shifted putting it on a metal tray to catch any drips here. Here we go, this looks good. Oh man, it is lasagna between a bun. It is fantastic. This really does take me back to the days of my youth when Saturdays, Sundays, this would be on the menu. That's a killer burger. All those components, the ricotta, the mozzarella, the marinara, the meat with the Italian seasoning, the garlic butter on the bun. It just screams Italian, and to me, it really screams lasagna. So there's my version of Mom's lasagna burger. Mom would make hers in an electric skillet. I went for the flat top griddle today, but the ingredients, the flavors, the seasonings, and the memories are the same. It's been way too long since I've eaten this.